So today I'm going to set up an Asus AiMesh with two routers and see that if that works or not. Basically what I have is an Asus wireless AC2900, the RT-AC86U router which I just got, and I also have a the Asus RT-AC88U that I'm going to use as my main router because that's more powerful than this one. So this is going to be a node into the network. And okay, just to verify, I'm going to record also on the screen, and right now just press record on this. So right now I'm connected to my main router on the 2.4 GHz frequency, and just to check on that I'm going to go to settings, network and internet, Wi-Fi, change adapter options, and that's my wireless network right here. And I'm going to go to status, and I can see that right now I'm connected to the router at 216.7 Mbps. Okay, I'm going to close this, and I'm going to swap the connection to the 5G frequency right here. I'm going to connect to that, and then we're going to check that as well. So again, I'm going to this and status, and I'm connected to the 5G at 450 Mbps. Now this is the maximum speed that my adapter actually can go to. It's a TP-Link N900 adapter, and today I'm going to swap to a more powerful one, and we're going to see how that is going to work as well. So right now I'm going to close this and pause the recording onto the screen. Okay, I'm just going to save this, and then we're going to set up this. So I'm going to open the router and set it up quickly. This is it. Like I said, this is not a review of this router, it's just how I'm going to set up that AiMesh. Oh, all the lights are on now, apart from the internet connection, which is red because it's not connected to the internet, but I don't want to connect it to the internet anyway. You have the 2.4G, the 5G, and the power light flashing. Okay, now I will put this aside right here for now, just for a bit, and close this. Go to my settings right here. Let's start the recording again on the screen. Okay, let's 3 seconds to 1 go. So right now I'll go to my network right here, and I see an Asus 52G, so that's the open network that this router is. I'm just going to connect to it and go to the options of setting it up as an AiMesh node. Yep, it is connected. I'm going to my router connection. It should be 192.168.1.1. And I have this screen right here of welcome. If I press to advanced settings, choose an operation mode. Let's see do we have exactly? So I have a wireless router mode, repeater, access point, media bridge, and AiMesh. I'm just gonna go to the AiMesh and set it up straight without doing anything else. So you have the setup on the screen, and your setup one router becomes AiMesh router, and you can add another to expand. So press next, and I will have to see if it's going to find that or not. As of right now, I don't really know what's going on the screen. I just have this screen and AiMesh description, and this. I have nothing else right here. It looks like it's something happening, but I just have a previous button right here and nothing else. Let's give it another couple of seconds and see what's going on. So nothing really going on here. Well, not for now. I just have a previous or something like that. So basically I'm just gonna go to the previous because I want my fair enough. Let's see if down here I have the new. There you go. So let's go to that, connect onto that Asus network that I just made. So now let's log in again to the router at 192.168.1.1. And we have that the screen that we wanted. Now as far as the firmware version right here, just press OK about this. Obviously the router is not connected to the internet, so what I'm going to do right now, pause this for a bit and go and check the firmware online if this is the what I have here is the is the newest firmware version. Okay, so now I've checked the firmware version online, and the version that I have online it's 3, so I'm going to check it with this 3.0.04 384 32799. This is 32797. Okay, I'm going to upload the firmware onto this that I have because that's newer. Now the firmware update is complete, and I'll connect again to this Asus router. Again, I'm going to go to that screen admin, the one that I put on 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Sign in, and right now I have the latest firmware version right there, and I'm going to go to administration, restore save, and restore to factory default. I'm gonna apply the settings check. So that's complete now, and just before I'm going to set it up as a node, let's check again my connections right here. I have my previous ones and the Asus 52G, which is an open connection. Also, what I want to try and show and see is basically the connection to analyze the Wi-Fi right now. So on my 2G network I have a -61, -63 now, and on the 5G I have -60, they're still in green, but on the Asus 550 I have a 0, which is really good. Go for the 5G again, minus 26, minus 25, that's really good. And here again. So I'm going to set it up as a node now. I'm logging into this connection and go to my router settings. Same address, but I'm going to log in with my credentials on this router. And here we have it. This router has the latest firmware version, like I said, and this is the RT-AC88U that I'm going to use as my main router, and the new one that I got, the RT-AC86U, as a node. So going to the AiMesh node right here, I'm going to press search. Okay, and this is the one that it found. It is my router right here. Press on it, and do you want to add this AiMesh to your system? And I press apply. Let's wait until it's going to add it up. So it is successfully added. Hi and open space. Okay, and that's okay. Now this is right here. Let's go back and check the connections onto this. I am onto the 2.4 network. Going back to my settings, network and Wi-Fi, change adapter options, and status. Looking at it, I am just having the same speed of 216.7 Mbps. Close this. Change to the 5G. Go to status. Oops, cancel this. Go to status again. 450. Close. Let's see the clients onto this. So my PC is right here, connected to this node, but I'm going to try one more time. So this one is fine, the 5G, because my adapter doesn't go over 450, but we'll see when I get the new adapter today. Close this and swap connection. Again 216. I am not sure, like I said, if this is because of my adapter or not, but will see later on. Also, let's check on the phone the Wi-Fi strength. The Wi-Fi analyzer right now. Let's refresh that. So what I have a minus 64, minus 38 right here, minus 40, which is, you can say it's an improvement from what it was before. And on the 5G, a minus 28, which again, it is quite good. Let's wait and see once my new adapter comes on how this is going to change, and if this is going to change.